Hi, I am Snow.
Hello, I am Bella. Hi friends, welcome back. Today, we are going to learn fruits. Look, Bella, what's that? It's an apple. Red apple. Apples are yummy. Say it together. Apple. Snow. What's this? Banana. It's yellow. Bananas are sweet. Say it together. Banana. Is it a ball? No, Snow. It's an orange. Orange is round. Oranges are juicy. Say it together. Orange. Snow, look. Grapes. So many grapes. Purple and green. Say it together. Grapes. What's that, Bella? Strawberry. It's red. Strawberries are sweet. Say it together. Strawberry. Look, Bella, what's that? It's a mango. Yellow mango. Mango is sweet. Say it together. Mango. Snow, let's put fruits in the basket. Apple. Banana. Orange. Grapes. Strawberry. Mango. Wow, yummy fruits. Bella, what fruit is this? Is it an apple? No. Is it a banana? No. Oh, it's an orange. Correct, Bella, it's an orange. Learn vegetables. Bella, what's that? It's a carrot. Carrot is orange. Yummy and crunchy. Let's say it together. Carrot. Is it a ball? I think it's a ball. No, it's tomato. Tomato is round. And it's red. Let's say it together. Tomato. Snow, what's that? It's a potato. It's brown. Potatoes are yummy. Let's say it together. Potato. Wow, long and green. It's a cucumber. Cucumber is green, fresh and cool. Let's say it together. Cucumber. Is it a tree? No, it's a broccoli. It looks like a tree. Broccoli is healthy. Let's say it together. Broccoli. Bella, look, yellow corn. Corn has many little kernels. Corn is tasty. Yes, corn is fun. Let's say it together. Corn. Snow, let's play a game. Yay, guess the vegetables. What's that? It's orange and long. I think it's carrot. Yes, you are right. It's carrot. Now my turn. What's that? It's round and red, like a ball. Is it an apple? No. Is it a tomato? Correct. It's a tomato. Yay!